Hi, I'm Chris Young. I'm a pro makeup artist based in Los Angeles, and skin prep is very important, and I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you a couple of different products that I really like that make the skin really smooth and perfect for a base of makeup. So it seems pretty obvious when doing your flawless base of makeup that you would take off all makeup, make sure it's really taken off, and also exfoliating is for sure a good idea when you want a soft, glowy look. This Aloe Glow System Enzyme Facial Cleanser, it's definitely suitable for all skin types. It smells really fresh. This is what the texture's like. It's really softening. Like even if you just swatch it on your hand, you can feel how moisturizing this is. And it's kind of like a jelly texture, which is fun. It's gonna slough off any unwanted dead skin cells. It's good for blackheads. So I would focus this cleanser around the nose especially, and I'm also gonna focus it around the chin area too. So after cleansing your face, to retain moisture in your skin and the plumpness and the elasticity of your skin, you should definitely use a hyaluronic acid. This one is a premium hyaluronic acid by MZ Skin. It's going to lock in the moisture, so definitely put it on damp skin so it has some moisture to cling onto. This one's great because it has no fragrance, so it's great for sensitive skin, and it's nice and thick. You could use this also even on your lip line to lock in your moisture on your lips, and it's going to make for a very plump, gorgeous skin. This also has snow and reishi mushroom, which aids in collagen production, so that means anti-aging, and also soothes redness. This is a really great product to add to your routine. So when putting on a serum, rub it between your hands and press onto your skin so you can really lock in the moisture. And don't forget your neck. I have my serum on already. After you do a serum, you want to work in the order of thin to thick products to really lock the moisture in. I'm going to pat on a light moisturizer. I don't have a super dry under eye, but I like to wear a concealer that's somewhat matte. So if you're using a very matte concealer, again, lock in moisture and prevent any caking in the under eye area. The last step to an amazing glowy skincare prep routine is a glowy primer. I really love a glowy primer because you could just wear this all over your face and not wear foundation. This has alfalfa and watercress extracts. It's also vegan, cruelty-free. There's no parabens or phthalates in it. So it's really natural and really good to soothe irritated skin. So I would definitely consider this the perfect smooth and glowy base. And if you want glowy skin, you have to layer glow. I love using a glowy base and then putting a little bit of the glowy base in like a liquid or cream blush. It just makes your cheeks pop and it looks really healthy, and it's just kind of like, what's going on there? I want to know why that skin looks so good, and that's my secret. A little glowy primer, a little glowy drop into the blush. Less is more, especially for glowy skin. Okay, so I put it on this half of my face, which feels really plump and smooth. Oh my god, that side. Glow is so natural. It doesn't feel like you put highlighter all over the face. It's a very fine, soft, focus glow. And it's skincare, so it's going to improve your skin and help you not break out, which don't we all want that? I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative for you to learn a little bit more about skin prep before makeup, because it's very important. Make sure to subscribe to the IPSY channel and follow IPSY on all social platforms.